Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be making some 3D printable utility knives, but anyway, let's get on. Right, so I printed out loads of different bits and we got a few bits off screen as well. And all I'm going to do now is decide in what order I want to stick them together and like it on the multicoloured on the black, etc. And then, yeah, I'm just going to put them together. So I will time lapse this. There's no point doing it in slow motion because it will take me a while to get it going. But yeah, I'll just decide what I want, where I want it, and we'll go from there. The handles are so comfortable that you can actually do like any cutter you like without any sort of problems with, you know, comfort. They're pretty good. I'm so impressed with it, to be honest. And obviously when the blade starts to dull, very easy just to change them out for a new one. Okay, so they both came out absolutely fantastic. They're comfortable to hold, and like just having the sheath for this one is just, you know, they look really cool. I really do like them. I did think I'd go a little bit extravagant with the multicolored handle, but yeah, really like them. And as I say, they're comfortable to use, and if they do break, which they're pretty hard, they're pretty solid to be honest, but if they do break, it's a very simple process to reprint or just print the part that I need, you know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Darren, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.